Today we are going to talk about what is going on in Haiti, as well as an itinerary change that puts cruise passengers really close to Haiti, what this can mean for cruising, also big updates coming from Royal Caribbean that will impact part of their Alaska season and how you're going to get on the ship. We've got an update from the Sky Princess as well as Viking. Viking is making headlines in the coolest way. So I'm going to tell you all about that as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips. Today, let's start at the very top. Royal Caribbean is making a big change. So we have talked about apps and cruise lines and how to use them and how they work, whose works the best, all of this. We've thought about this a lot, but Royal Caribbean is really stepping out there, and on their sailings this summer, departing from Vancouver, they are going to require the cruise passengers to do the check-in on the app. Now, of course, if you can't use an app or you really can't manage it, you can go ahead and get checked in at the port, but it is going to take a lot more time. So if you want things to go smoothly and everything to go really well, you're going to want to use their app. So I am really wondering if this is what we are going to start to see a whole lot more from the different cruise lines. Truly, it is a lot easier to check in using the app, as well as I think it's an awful lot easier for them to process all the information as well. Now, something that really stands out to me about this requirement is those who can't do it. Now, I know that there are some people that just can't do it, and that is okay. Like, it's okay. Go get in the line, get on the cruise ship, and have a wonderful time. But those of you who could do it and just haven't bothered to learn how to do it yet, I'm here to challenge you today to learn how to do that. Because as we move forward in time, there are just going to be more and more apps in our life. There is going to be a lot more need to be more savvy than we have ever been before with technology. And I am one of the people who really and truly believes that if we want to be out there having a fun time as far as going on a cruise, traveling, doing these things, we need to be a little bit up to date in how to manage technology, just so that we can manage our whole experience, I'll say. And in addition to that, I think it's really important that we have the devices that we need in order to be able to do that. So if your phone is old or you've never really cared to do that, go ahead and do that. I think things will go more smoothly for you, and you will be more well prepared to handle anything that comes your way, not just when you're at home, but especially when you're traveling. I've noticed a lot more places that we visit have things on an app, whether it's a museum, whether it's an airline, whether it's an airport, all of these different places. So go ahead and let me know what questions you've got about that. If you've got questions about technology, I can have Gordon do a video about the questions that you've got. He's always really happy to help with that, and he's used to helping me, so he answers things on a pretty basic level. So I'm really excited to talk to you about that. So let me know where you all stand, if you would be ready to board a cruise ship using the app this summer or not. So I'm excited. Now, the next big update, I am sure that a lot of you have seen in the news what is going on in Haiti. If you have not noticed, that country, Haiti, is having so much trouble with being overrun by gangs. And actually, one of the gangs got in and they released 4,000 prisoners from their largest prison there, and they are overrunning Haiti right now. They've attacked the airport. A lot is going on that really makes me sad for the people that live there and what's going on. Let's think of that in terms of cruise ships. We do have several cruise lines that do call in the port there in Labadee, Haiti, and this is clearly going to have an impact of that. I have been watching the news, and I have not seen any cruise lines announce that they are not going to Haiti yet. That does not mean they haven't announced it. It means I have not come across it. So if you've seen it, let me know about that. And in addition to that, one of our Let's Go family members very graciously let me know that they are going to be departing on the New Amsterdam. They're on a sailing that goes from Fort Lauderdale to San Diego, departing on April 5th of 2024. And they were initially supposed to stop in Grand Turk. And that port call has just recently been changed to stop in Port Cabo Rojo in the Dominican Republic there, which is only 30 miles from the Haitian border. So I do not know why that change took place, and I called Holland America to see, and usually their customer service reps don't know, but I thought I would ask just in case. And sure enough, they have no idea. They just say due to operational requirements. So let me know if you happen to be booked on that cruise, and let me know if you are on any other cruise that was due to call in Haiti and you get your port stop changed, or even if you weren't supposed to call in Haiti and you get your port stop changed, just let me know that as well. I like to try to keep up to date on itinerary changes and let you all know so that everybody can be on the same page, especially if you don't get the emails for the cruise that you're supposed to be on. I'm actually trying to stand out of the rain here, so I apologize, but this is really exciting news, all of you. So Viking Cruise Line, I have been talking to you about Viking a lot lately, a lot of exciting news coming out of Viking. Well, in January of 2024, the Viking Octantis, one of their expedition ships, was visiting Antarctica, and they went to Astrolabe, A-S-T-R-O-L-A-B-E, and I did listen to the pronunciation on that, so hopefully I've got it right. They're on the Bransfield Strait in Antarctica, and they discovered a brand new, completely unknown colony of chinstrap penguins, and so I was just really excited to hear that. I think Viking would be excellent to go to Antarctica on. There are so many more cruise lines going to Antarctica right now that I think it really opens the door. You've got all of these different options with the experience that you have on board, how many other people you're sailing with, and so of course it impacts the price as well. So I feel like Antarctica is more accessible than ever before, even for those expedition cruises. So I was just really excited. Those chinstrap penguins are just really sweet, and we're really excited to get to go to Antarctica again. I'm watching for the 2026 Princess Cruises to be released, and then we're going to do something fun with that, so I'll let you know. Thank you all for sticking with me here as I've tried to stay out of the rain and bring you what I think is really important cruise news today. I really appreciate you being here. I will see you all here again tomorrow. I'll be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.